Hello everybody. I've purposely left the bonnet up on this beauty this morning because what you're looking at here is a 2021 CLA45S 4MATIC Plus. That's right, sat in front of you there is a hand-built 2-litre engine, hand-built by Alexander Casores, one of the 63 AMG engineers, and he's managed to get 420 brake horse out of that thing. Now, what an absolute piece of kit this car is. It's finished in Cosmos Metallic Black. I'll just close this now so you can have a good look. Cosmos Metallic Black, black wheels, privacy glass. This car looks the part, sounds the part, acts the part. What else could you want from them boys at AMG? What absolute pleasure it is to have this car in stock. Look at the size of them calipers. If cars had shoes, they'd be Louboutins, wouldn't they? Have a look at them. Let's just take you inside the car, because not only that, we've got the two-tone black and red leather interior, sports steering wheel, widescreen cockpit. Obviously you've got the sports exhaust with it being the S, reversing camera, and of course, hello, sliding panoramic roof. I'll take you around the back of this car as well. Have a look at those. Hello. Just look at that. In fact, I'm going to get it started. Let's have a listen to this machine. There we go. So we started up. We're going to obviously move this to Sport Plus, which in turn puts your sports exhaust on. I've warmed it up this morning, so don't worry. Oh, it just wants to go. You've got your upgraded Burmester surround sound system, heated seats, memory seats. This car quite literally ticks every box in my opinion, and this certainly will not be here for long. So please waste no time, give the sales team a call. You won't be disappointed, and we could see you setting off into the sunset in this absolutely beautiful piece of machinery.